Factoring is very important in algebra, and in this video we'll factor some expressions that look unfactorable at first glance. Let's start with the first one. Here we have x to the power of 4 plus 4, and the idea here is to complete the square. So x to the power of 4 plus 4, we add 4x squared to complete the square, and of course we subtract 4x squared. Of course it's equal to, here rearranging x to the power of 4x is x squared squared, plus, and 4x squared is 2 times x squared times 2, plus, and 4 is 2 squared, of course minus 4x squared. And here we have our square, our special product, x squared plus 2 squared minus, and here 4x squared is 2x squared. Now we have the difference of two squares. It's equal to x squared plus 2 plus 2x. We know that a squared minus b squared is a plus b times a minus b. So times x squared plus 2 minus 2x. And rearranging, it's equal to x squared plus 2x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 2. Here we have x square root of x minus 1. It's of course equal to x is square root of x squared times square root of x, of course minus 1, and of course it's equal to square root of x cubed. Square root of x squared times square root of x is square root of x cubed minus 1, and here 1 is just 1 cubed, so we will use a cubed minus b cubed, which is equal to, this is very important in algebra, a minus b times a squared plus ab, of course, plus b squared. So we'll use it here with a equals square root of x and b equals 1. So it's equal to, here, square root of x minus 1, square root of x minus 1, times, here, square root of x squared, square root of x squared, plus ab plus square root of x times 1, square root of x times 1, plus b squared, so here 1 squared. Of course, which is equal to, here, square root of x minus 1, and square root of x squared is just x, plus square root of x times 1 is the square root of x, of course, plus 1 squared plus 1. Now we'll factor 5x squared plus 5y squared plus 26xy. And the first thing we will do is we will break this 26xy. So it's equal to 5x squared plus 5y squared plus and 26xy is equal to 25xy, of course, plus xy. And this, of course, is equal to, here since there is nothing to factor, we will rearrange. So 5x squared plus 25xy plus 5y squared, of course, plus xy. Now you see here we have a common factor 5x. 25 is 5 times 5. So 5x is a common factor. 5x. Here we have 5x times x. So x plus, and here 5 times 5x times y. So 5x is the common factor. Here we have 5y remaining. So 5y. Because 25 is 5 times 5, plus, and here you see we have y as a common factor, so y times, here 5 times y, we have 5y remaining, so 5y, of course, plus, factoring with y, here we have x, and here you see x plus 5y, x plus 5y, it's the same number, so here we have a common factor, which is x plus 5y. So x plus 5y is the common factor. And here we have 5x remaining, so 5x plus, and here we have y remaining, so y. And here you see our three expressions factored. And this, of course, concludes our problem.